Hello children, how are you all? Give a smile and say I am fine teacher. I am your teacher Komal Sharma. Today I am going to teach you about community helpers. What do you know about community helpers? Today I explain you. I am going to tell you a story of a girl Radha. One day Radha was walking in a garden. She saw a man. She said, "Good morning, sir. What do you do?" The man replied, "I'm a teacher. I'm a community helper. I help children in the school and teach them how to read and write." She thanked the teacher. Then she met a doctor. She asked, "Hello, sir. How are you?" Doctor said, "I am a doctor. I help you when you fall sick with cold and fever. I am also a community helper." After meeting doctor, she saw a man with a uniform and a cap. Radha asked him, "What do you do, sir?" He replied, "I catch thieves and I help you to stay safe." Then Radha met a man with a red cap and uniform. The man said, "I am a firefighter. I fight fire that might hurt to you." Radha thanked him and learned the community helpers are those who provide service to help others. Children, what job would you like to do when you grow up? And always greet these people with a smile whenever you meet them and say a big thank you. Now we will learn a poem on teacher. I come into your class to learn and to grow, but what has touched me most is the love you have shown. Thank you.